Hi guys, we are spinning what's in the service in the Hoover Logic.
Logic.
Just Logic, isn't it?
Yeah.
In the Hoover Logic 1300. Okay. Out the machine with the chevron drum. Over to the Hoover Logic 1300. Program G is the spin, and we just start it.
There you go.
Let's put that in position.
You can see the lights ticking through.
Yeah, a bit hard to see. There we are.
There it goes on again.
Bit like it's a bit like the dial overshot, didn't it?
Yeah.
It's a bit like saying the dial's overshot it and we have to redo it again, isn't it? Oh, got it. Just want to put that over. There we go. Oh, it still says heat. That's not right.
That's temperamental.
Okay,
It's
off
not
we go
actually
now. And it just shoots straight up to 800 RPM.
Yeah, then it like dips like a V, and then it goes up to 1300.
So let me touch that. Yeah, it's fine. I think it was interfering with that. That gave me a static shock while that was doing it. Don't know why. But we're done with that now.
We put them in the dryer, yeah?
Yep, put them in the one above. Handy, isn't it? Hard to see when it first goes, but it will go in a minute. I found it with Hoover software, if you advance it while it's spinning, you can make it go up to full, apparently.
Yeah.
I'm not going to attempt to do that one. I think, what's his name had that? Aticho, when he first started YouTube, he had one of these.
Yeah.
But it had a number on it, which I think was spin delay.
Yeah.
No, sorry, not
Delay start.
but in digital rather than
Yeah.
dial.
Delay start.
Here we go. So that's 800 RPM. Hey, the light doesn't work yet, because it's night time for this to work. I bet it's brighter with an LED light, isn't it? Compared to that nap light that we had before, isn't it? I think you can skip it to 1300, but
No, you can't.
not with this one. But with the
That's
socket,
right.
I'll give it a go. No, don't. No, no, no.